Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to enable select to speak option feature in your Motorola smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to simply open your settings, then you have to go to accessibility. Here it is. Click on accessibility, click on select to speak. You have to enable it from here. And friends, you can see it is enabled successfully. You have to just simply tap on it like this, and you have to tap on it like this. I show you. Then select the text, it will automatically speak. You can see. And if you want to pause it from, you have to pause it. If you want to remove this, you can disable it from here and it will turn off. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.